Why is it that in the balance of nature there is always death and suffering? Why is it that in the balance of nature there is always death and suffering? Why is it man has killed 50 million whales? You understand what it is? 50 million, you understand? And still Russia and Japan are killing whales. They are killing every kind of species, man. The tigers are coming to an end. The cheetahs, the leopards, and the elephants, for their tusk, for their flesh, and all that. Is not man much more dangerous animal than the rest of the animals? And you want to know why in nature there is death and suffering. You see a tiger killing a cow or a deer. That's their natural way of life. But the moment we interfere with it, it becomes real cruelty. You have seen, I'm quite sure, baby seals being knocked on the head. And when there is a great protest against it, the unions say that we have to live that way. You know all this. So, where shall we start to understand this, the world about us and the world within us? The world within us is so enormously complex. But we want to understand the world of nature first, or that becomes our mania. Perhaps if we could start with ourselves. Not to hurt, not to be violent, not to be nationalistic, but to feel for the whole of mankind. Then perhaps we should have a proper relationship between ourselves and nature. Now we are destroying the earth, the air, the sea, the things of the sea. Because we are the greatest danger to the world. With our atomic bombs, that's what's happening.